Across 50 states and thousands of miles of coastline, the United States hides a secret, a collection of islands that feel like they were painted by nature itself. From the tropical warmth of Hawaii to the rocky Atlantic cliffs of Maine, each island has its own rhythm, its own personality, its own story to tell. Some whisper peace through waves that roll softly against the shore. Others roar with the power of volcanoes and storms, reminding us that beauty often comes from the wild. Today, we're taking a journey across oceans, forests, and coral reefs to discover the 10 most beautiful islands in the USA. Take a breath, let the world slow down, and imagine yourself there. Island 1, Maui, Hawaii. If paradise had a pulse, it might beat on the island of Maui. Known as the Valley Isle, Maui is a land sculpted by time, volcanoes, and wind. Between two towering mountains lies a lush world of green valleys, black sand beaches, and waterfalls that seem endless. Wake early and drive to the top of Haleakala volcano. At nearly 10,000 feet above sea level, the world below feels distant. Clouds drift beneath you, and the sky erupts into pinks and oranges. Locals say it's the most spiritual sunrise on Earth, and standing there, surrounded by silence, you understand why. Later, take the road to Hana, a winding coastal drive where every curve reveals a secret. Bamboo forests, rainbow eucalyptus trees, cliffs plunging into turquoise seas. The air smells like rain and flowers, and time feels slower here. Maui is more than a place. It's an experience. You don't just see it, you feel it in your chest. Island 2. Kauai, Hawaii. If Maui is the heart of Hawaii, Kauai is its soul. They call it the Garden Island, and once you see it, the name makes perfect sense. This is the oldest island in the Hawaiian chain, a masterpiece of erosion and life. Towering emerald cliffs rise sharply from the ocean, while rivers wind through valleys so green they almost glow. The Napali coast might be the most dramatic shoreline on the planet. From a helicopter, you can watch waterfalls spill straight from the clouds. From a kayak, you can paddle beneath them and feel the mist kiss your face. Inland, the Waimea Canyon stretches for miles, a red, rugged scar through paradise, often called the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Kauai is a place where the wild still wins. It humbles you. It reminds you how small and how lucky we are. Island 3, Key West, Florida. Follow the overseas highway until there's no more road left. That's where you'll find Key West, the southernmost point of the continental United States. It's not just an island, it's a mood. A place where pastel houses lean in the sun, where chickens wander the streets, and where life seems to move at half speed. Spend your mornings snorkeling over coral reefs alive with color. Then wander down Duval Street, where laughter spills from old bars and the scent of rum drifts through the air. You can visit Ernest Hemingway's house, where his six-toed cats still lounge in the shade, or simply sit at Mallory Square as the sun sinks into the horizon. A nightly celebration where everyone stops what they're doing just to watch the sky burn gold. In Key West, time doesn't matter. Only the moment does. Island 4, Nantucket, Massachusetts. 2 hours off Cape Cod, a small island floats in the Atlantic like a page from a storybook. Welcome to Nantucket. Once a 19th century whaling port, it's now one of the most charming destinations in New England. Cobblestone streets lead past weathered cottages wrapped in roses. White fences, lighthouses, and the distant sound of seagulls fill the air with nostalgia. Locals get around by bike, riding slowly through narrow lanes that smell of salt and lilac. At sunset, the beaches glow with a soft golden light, and the ocean laps gently at your feet. There's something timeless about Nantucket. It doesn't try to impress you. It simply exists, gracefully. And that's its greatest beauty. Island 5, the San Juan Islands, Washington. Up in the Pacific Northwest, just shy of the Canadian border, the San Juan Islands form a scattered paradise of pine forests and misty shores. Each island feels untouched, quiet, pure, and deeply connected to nature. Here, mornings begin with fog rolling over calm waters, and afternoons reveal orcas breaching in the distance. You can kayak between islands, stopping to explore small farms and artist studios. The scent of cedar and salt air follows you everywhere. Friday Harbor, the heart of the islands, feels like another time. Friendly, slow, and simple. When night falls, the stars shine brighter than you thought possible. It's the kind of place that doesn't just relax you, it resets you. Island 6, Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Hilton Head is a place where nature, history, and southern charm all come together. Wide beaches stretch endlessly under the Carolina sun. Spanish moss hangs lazily from ancient oak trees, and soft waves whisper against the shore. Here, mornings are for long walks by the sea, afternoons for bike rides along the coast, and evenings for watching dolphins glide through the water. Hilton Head has a calm confidence, luxurious but never loud. It's a destination that invites you to rest, reflect, and simply be. In a world that moves too fast, Hilton Head moves just right. Island 7, Mount Desert Island, Maine. Far to the north, where the Atlantic crashes cold and wild, lies Mount Desert Island, home to the incredible Acadia National Park. Granite cliffs rise above deep blue water. Pine forests stretch across rolling hills, and small fishing boats bob in quiet harbors. Climb to the top of Cadillac Mountain, and you might be the first person in America to see the sunrise. From up there, the world feels endless, ocean and sky melting into one. The town of Bar Harbor offers cozy cafes, homemade blueberry pie, and the comforting smell of sea salt and wood smoke. But what makes Mount Desert Island special isn't its beauty. It's the peace that comes with it. It's the kind of place that makes you whisper, without knowing why. Island 8, Anna Maria Island, Florida. On Florida's Gulf Coast, there's a small island that feels like, well, the world just forgot to rush. Anna Maria Island. No high-rises, no chain restaurants, just pastel houses, white sand, and water so clear it looks unreal. Here, life happens on bicycles and golf carts. Locals wave to strangers, and every evening everyone gathers on the beach to watch the sunset, a ritual of gratitude painted in orange and pink. You can walk for miles along quiet beaches, hear the laughter of children building castles in the sand, or sit on a wooden pier and feel the warm breeze brush your face. Anna Maria doesn't try to be perfect. It just is. And honestly, that's what makes it unforgettable. Island number 9, Big Island, Hawaii. The Big Island of Hawaii is not only the largest, it's the most alive. Here, creation is still happening. Lava flows from the earth, glowing red against the night sky. Mountains reach above the clouds, and black sand beaches stretch endlessly into the Pacific. You can stand on the frozen summit of Mauna Kea in the morning and swim in warm tropical waters by afternoon. Few places on Earth offer that kind of contrast. The island's landscapes feel like another planet. Lush rainforests, deserts of volcanic rock, waterfalls, and valleys hidden by mist. But what makes the Big Island truly remarkable is its energy. You can sense it in the ground, as if the earth itself is breathing beneath your feet. It's raw, powerful, and humbling. A reminder that our planet is still creating, still alive. Island number 10, Oahu, Hawaii. The final stop on our journey is Oahu, the beating heart of Hawaii. Here, city and nature coexist in perfect rhythm. Honolulu's skyline glimmers beside the calm curve of Waikiki Beach, while just an hour north, the roar of the ocean replaces the city's hum. The North Shore is legendary, home to the biggest waves on Earth and surfers chasing glory. But beyond the surf, there's serenity. Small towns, roadside fruit stands, and sunsets that feel almost holy. Hike through the rainforest to Manoa Falls, or climb the steps of Diamond Head for a view that seems to stretch forever. Oahu has everything: the pulse of modern life and the timeless calm of nature. It's a reminder that paradise can be both exciting and peaceful all at once. From the volcanic peaks of Hawaii to the golden shores of Florida, from the misty forests of the Pacific Northwest to the rocky cliffs of Maine, America's islands are proof that paradise exists in many forms. Some are wild, some are gentle. All are alive with stories, written by the ocean, told through the wind, and remembered by those lucky enough to stand upon their shores. Travel changes us. It reminds us how vast the world is and how beautiful it can be when we slow down to see it. So wherever you are, maybe just close your eyes for a moment and imagine the sound of waves, the warmth of the sun, and the feeling of being completely, perfectly free. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more calm escapes like this one. And until next time, keep exploring.